Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Crafty Creation with Shruti। आज के क्राफ्टी क्रिएशन में हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं ये MDF का हार्ट शेप्ड बोर्ड। But before that, I will show in this video how to make such heart shaped board using cardboard in case you don't have such MDF board. You were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together. हमारा heart shaped cardboard is ready. Now it's time to get little more crafty. सबसे पहले इसे मैं chalk पेन से कलर कर लूँगी. Here I have this prime chipboard. Will color them as well using these colors. ये chipboard मैंने ऑनलाइन इत्सी बित्सी से ऑर्डर किया था. If you don't have such prime chipboards, you can always write or draw anything you like. As I always says that you can add n number of variations to any DIY. यहाँ मैं फेविक्रिल का सिल्वर ग्लिटर आउटलाइनर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I have got this Fevicril ka neon color from a local stationery shop and will use it to color this chipboard. The colors are really vibrant and I love the shades. यहाँ मेरे पास ये कुछ डेको ट्रांसफ़र शीट्स है जो मैंने ऑनलाइन इत्सी बित्सी से ऑर्डर किया था. Now I will use these sheets to decorate the board. It's very easy to use. Just paste it, dab some water and peel it off. Personally, I love them to use. Trust me, if you have only these sheets, you can turn all your kabad ka saman into home decor item. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant update. Here I am using black, white and golden marker to highlight the images a little bit. If you want, you can skip this part. Now we will paste this chipboard with the help of the glue.